Good morning, everyone. This is Vabhavi Srivastav, and I'll be reciting a poem. They call it ancient, as if age dulls glory, as if time can fade the fire. But Bharat was never just a land, it was a breath held by the cosmos. She was not carved by conquest, but by questions. And perhaps that is why she hurts now. Not because she's forgotten, but because she remembers too much. A place where knowledge was not a currency, but a gift passed from hand to heart. Where a child could sit by the river and learn more than a scholar in a room. Where sages renounced palaces not out of loss, but out of fullness. Where kings bowed to counsel and victory meant little without virtue. Where cities were built not to rise above others, but to align with the stars. Where streets were clean not for show, but because harmony demanded it. Where temples were not mere structures, but songs in stone, standing tall even in the ruins. Bharat is not a name, it is a breath taken by countless hearts across ages. It is not a land to be owned, it is a journey to be lived. A space where contradictions meet and hold hand, where gods are both within and without, where life and liberation are not opposites but twinned together. And even though centuries passed and foreign flags rose and fell, this soul did not dim. It waited, it whispered, it withstood. Through conquest and colonization, it bled, yes, but it did not forget. For how can eternity be ever erased? Where the soul of the land was vast enough to hold 1,000 faiths and still be whole. Where being lost meant you were closer to finding, and where even death was seen not as an end but as a door. Bharat was not golden for her riches, but for her knowing. Not mighty in war, but immortal in wisdom. She does not need monuments to speak. She speaks from the dust, the wind, the wound. And even now, when her children forget her, she waits. Not in anger, but in sorrow. Because Bharat is not a chapter we left behind. She is the mirror we are afraid to look into. But she is still there, still breathing, still patient, and still sacred. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.